When I introduced user story mapping during our UX conference course, Lean UX and Agile, practitioners often ask how it differs from customer journey mapping. The key differences are that each map type is visualized from a different perspective, and they're used for different purposes. A customer journey map is from the user's perspective, showing the steps she goes through to complete a goal, along with her thoughts, feelings, channels, and devices she's using along the way. They're often an output of discovery research and are meant to help teams share an understanding of people's needs and the process they go through when interacting with a product or service. Customer journey maps surface pain points, opportunities to improve the journey, and any problematic touch points. A user story map is from the perspective of the product, detailing the steps taken in the product itself to complete an activity, such as checking an account balance, where logging in would be the first step. Story maps are a viable replacement for lengthy requirements documents and provide a high-level input for epics, user stories, and tasks that will eventually feed your product backlog. User story maps also help teams discuss features and requirements. They help to work through design details and plan when to implement. User story maps connect the issues we uncover in our customer journey maps to the solutions in our product to resolve those issues. A customer journey map can evolve into a user story map by adding the product-focused activities, steps, and details users interact with to complete their tasks. Similarly, a user story map can evolve into a customer journey map if the user's thoughts, feelings, channels, and devices are added. These two map types can work well when combined, but they're also effective when used separately. There's a lot of UX mapping methods out there, and keeping them all straight can be a challenge. With these two map types, the key things to remember are that the customer journey map is from the perspective of the person, and the user story map is from the perspective of the product. But they're both important maps to plan and execute meaningful product iterations.